One of the most advertised 60% board I think everyone have seen on YouTube is the Massdrop ALT. And for all the features that this board has, in my opinion, this is one of the greatest 60% that you can get. It has addressable and programmable RGB for underglow and switches, hot-swappable meaning you can change your switches whenever you want, fully programmable with macro support, and also has USB-C. Here you can see that I decided to buy the Barebone kit, which doesn't come with any switch. So if you plan to do like me, I think there's one thing that you need to pay attention. If you really care about the backlit RGB, you need to choose the correct switches. Here you can clearly see the differences in brightness between the top 3 switches. The top one is the SMD Gateron Red, the second one is the normal Gateron Red, and the third one is the Cherry MX Black. When I inserted my keycaps, only the top switch shines very well, while the rest look dim. If you want your keyboard to light up like a disco bar, you can get switches that can support SMD LEDs such as Gateron, Kale, or Zelios. If your switches have black housing like that Gateron Red or that Cherry MX Black, your RGB may not look like what it is supposed to be. I clearly did not pay any attention about that, so I just popped out my board and started inserting switches while watching Warhouse Road to Global. Of course, the result was very disappointing because the light was so dim that when I realized I screwed up, and boy, those WASD look so much better. I also used a switch opener to get some Cherry MX Black springs and stems, then put them into the SMD Gateron cases as I want my keyboard to have a bit of heavy feel. I will talk about it more in my upcoming keyboard build video. Stay tuned.